shop. Hey guys, it's Ecat Girl, also known as Queen Ecat, also known as Queen E, and I'm back with another video. It is sunny, it is shiny, it is bright. Joe Biden just won the election. Let's talk about it. But let's not. Today's gonna be like a very short video. I'm not even gonna talk. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup, and you guys are gonna watch me. Mostly because I have a very low camera battery, but I really want to film this while it's still bright out. So I'm rushing. I know I'm a bad YouTuber. Horrible, terrible. I also have like a little scratch on my face right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I just scratched my face. I was doing my hair. I was like moisturizing it, and I scratched the fuck out myself with my nail. So that's there. But yeah, we're gonna get right back into the video, or we're gonna get into the video. There's no back. You were never here. We're gonna get into the video starting now. Alright guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, ooh, shop. Nice. Bye.